Resting isn't necessarily a bad thing, but it doesn't get to the root cause of your problem. And maybe resting isn't an option for you. You might be training for a big race, or maybe you have kids and don't ever get to rest, or maybe you still need to go to work, so resting may be a luxury you can't afford. Let's take someone with back pain for this example. Say you've had an episode of back pain and went to your doc and they gave you some medication, which helps a little, and they tell you to rest and take it easy. Well, that's not getting to the root cause of your problem. That's just giving you some temporary relief at best. So this is where physical therapy can be really helpful. A physical therapist can do an evaluation, help determine what is actually causing your back pain, why it's hurting, and what you can do about it. Let me give you a car analogy. Or is it a simile? Is it a simile if I use like or as? Did I mention I'm easily distracted and have a poor command of the English language? Okay, back to the car example. So say you've got a worn down tire on your car, and all your mechanic does is replace the tire. That's great for now, but why did just that one tire get worn down? Chances are it's going to happen again. But if your car mechanic looks at the tire and not only gives you a new tire, but is also able to tell you, hey, your car's alignment is off, we need to fix that too so it doesn't happen again. This is what we want. The reason why something is happening and a good solution to the problem. So if you find yourself in a similar situation where you've been told to rest and it isn't really an option for you, I would recommend go find yourself a good physical therapist and get after the root cause, and also check your tires. It can't be safe to drive on bald tires.